Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror for your vehicle model. Before starting, always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. This simple preparation will make the process much smoother and quicker for you. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool to expose the wiring. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, unscrew the 3 mounting bolts that secure the damaged mirror assembly to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe as you might need them. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Secure it firmly using the 3 mounting bolts you saved earlier. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to ensure all power functions are restored. Before reassembling the door panel, perform a quick test of the mirror's adjustments and any integrated lights. You're almost done. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips snap into place and it sits flush. Double-check that the new mirror adjusts properly using the interior controls and that any turn signal lights are working. Finally, give the new mirror glass a good clean to ensure you have clear, unobstructed visibility. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.